Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Volkswagen Routan SE. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.8-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 248,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.